this video, we look at creating and customizing your own Aviator Intelligent Assistant. To open Aviator Editor, from the action bar, click Create. Then click New Aviator. Now let's add available data in the Aviator Editor. In Core Intelligence, you add a data file, which locks the data snapshot. You can customize Aviator's display name, message, and other settings to suit your business needs. In the Appearance tab, you change the default appearance in Intelligence Aviator to reflect your organization's branding. The Intelligence Aviator editor provides a preview of your work in the canvas. You can provide a persona that represents your user. This helps Aviator generate question suggestions that are more relevant and tailored to their needs. To further improve response accuracy, include details about your business domain, like industry-specific terms and acronyms. Now, save your work. After creating and saving your Intelligence Aviator, you can share a link to it as an Intelligent Assistant, or you can embed an Aviator Assistant in web applications or web pages. In this case, let's copy the link to share with a user in an email. When the user opens the link, Aviator launches in a browser as your customized Intelligent Assistant, ready to help. And that's how you create an Intelligence Aviator. Check out the other videos for more Intelligence Aviator tips.